what's up everybody? High Voltage Madness 2300 here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own high voltage power supply. All you need is a light ballast. This is a fluorescent light ballast. And all you have to do is, this one here has red wires and blue wires. So all I did was to take the red wire and connect it to an alligator clip. It goes to this flyback. This is a flyback transformer from an old TV, and it can produce high voltages. So then I found out which pins were the high voltage, or no, the primary coil, where you put your low voltage in to get high voltage. And I'll show you how to do that in another video, or you can just watch somebody else's video. And then I got two blue wires and connected them together to another alligator clip that goes to the other end of the coil. And that's all there is to it. And it can make arcs like this. Zoom in. And if I plug it over here. Jeez. I can hook up a Jacob's ladder to it, which I've shown in my previous videos. Plugging it in. Just a second. Okay. What the heck? Oh. I need to make the gap smaller, it's way too big. But yeah, it does work. The arcs don't actually jump that long. You have to get it fairly close for it to start. I don't know why that is, really. You have to be about like a centimeter to get it to start. Which probably means it's only about 10,000 volts. But you can draw them out to about an inch. And just so the safety Nazis know, I am using a chicken stick, or a safety stick, so I can't get shocked. Just something about playing with electricity. It's fun. Look at that, it's burning the wood. Yeah, well. So, guys, let me know if you thought this was cool. And I'll show you how to find the pins on the flyback in a future video. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment, or subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.